Hi, welcome to my YouTube. The old adage of you don't know what you have till it's gone holds so true with the furniture in this box. Decade ago, I would order 3 or 4 CSA-858s, and they always came with Beaver barf furniture. If you don't know what Beaver barf furniture is, I'll explain that when I open this box. And I used to hate them. I would change them out to, Fab Defense tactical furniture. I would change to wood furniture. I would even spray paint those Beaver bar furniture to black. But a year ago, the RCMP decided to ban the CSA-858s, so I ended up selling all of them and buying CSA VZ-58. And now I kind of miss the Beaver bar furniture. And now I had the opportunity last year to buy a set from eBay for $70 US plus $20 shipping, which translates to about $125 Canadian. I had a chance to buy the whole set, so today I'm going to show you how to change these CSA furniture to the Beaver barf. I mean, I don't mind this furniture, but I like to have the Beaver barf also. The CSA came with a M4 style buttstock and vinyl grip and vinyl handguards. So I'm going to open this box right now and show you what's in it. There it is. This is called nickname Beaver barf furniture. What this basically is, it's basically wood chip embedded in red resin. Okay, and the wood chip basically looks similar to wood chip left behind by a beaver. So that's why we call it Beaver barf. Anyway, this comes with all these brand new furniture and brand new sling, and the buttstock comes with a front plate, a swivel, butt plate, and it also comes with a bolt to attach the buttstock. The only thing it did not come with is a screw that screws onto the buttstock. But that's okay, I have one. It also comes with a grip. This is the original grip, and you can tell because it's quite small. I have no idea why the original grips are so small, because the Czech men do not have small hands, so I have no idea. This might be new, but the finishing is kind of rough. As you can see, the lines, the sanding, it's I need to finish this. I need to darken this with some sort of a red stain and then respray it. It comes with a set of handguards. This is the lower handguard. It's also kind of rough finish, as you can tell, but not a problem for me. I can fix this. Oh, and it's missing a lower handguard plate. However, for the top handguard, it's complete. It even comes with a metal for the top handguard, and this is the color. This is the grayish paint color. I also didn't like this color, but it is complete. So today I'm going to show you how to attach this furniture to my CSA VZ-58. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to start from the back and work my way to the front. To remove this M4 buttstock, you need to remove this castle nut. And to do that, you need a wrench, and you need to hook this onto it and turn, which obviously I've already unscrewed it. And then grab the whole stock and turn counterclockwise. There it is. You'll find this M4 adapter has a screw. Now all you need is a large screwdriver. Okay. Now I've not unscrewed this before, so I don't know how difficult it is. Oh my God, it's super easy. It came off. Okay, that's not always going to be the case with the CZ858. It was, don't know what there it is. This is the M4 adapter stock, and this is the screw. Now, the CZ858 screw was a lot tougher to unscrew. So I end up modifying a bolt, large bolt, and I used to fit it in here and unscrew it. That's what I used to do. They put too much Loctite on it. But this one was super easy. Okay. Now I'm going to take the Beaver barf stock, and I have the bolt. And there's a washer. Put the washer in. But before I do that, I'm going to check to make sure it fits. And it does. Okay, and this plate goes like that. Okay, I got some sawdust in here. Okay, so I'm going to insert okay, then we got that in nice and solid. The next thing you want to do is put in the butt plate. Now remember, there was a missing screw, and I happen to have a spare, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so what you do is remove the swivel. Okay, and it actually holds the swivel in place like this. So it does two things. It holds the butt plate in and holds the swivel in too. So after screwing in the bolt, you put this, okay, you insert the screw and make sure it goes into that hole. Okay, And now you can screw it all the way in. Okay. Yeah, nice and secure. Starting to take shape. Now you have to replace the grip. Obviously, I already checked it out. And what you have to do is get an Allen wrench and unscrew the bolt that's at the bottom of the grip. Now you have to reuse the bolt. Take the Beaver barf grip, insert the bolt, and you also have to reuse the square nut that's inside. Now I'm going to there it is. Started to take shape. Okay, next is the handguard. There's a cross pin here for the lower handguard. You need to punch that out. Okay. Okay, the pin's out. Now, to remove the lower handguard, all you do is push the back end up first, like that, and then pivot forward. There. The top handguard, you have to remove it from the rifle first. Push the cross pin from the left to the right, and then pivot forward. Now remember, I said I thought the lower handguard was missing a locking plate that normally goes in here. Okay, it normally sits like this. Okay, and then the pin holds it in. But when I tried to insert this onto here, it wouldn't go because it's exactly the same width. So this lower handguard was designed to be installed without one of these. So it actually don't need this. So this is a newer model. So it's actually designed to go on to the CSA, because the CSA does not use one of these plates. They do not. And if you check the width of both of these, they are identical. So that makes it easier. You don't need a plate. And to put this on, put the front end first, and then tap it forward, and then tap it down. I actually should be using a mallet. Okay, now I'm going to take the pin. I'm going to see one side is slightly more beveled, and that's the one that actually goes in first. Okay, I'm not going to waste a lot of my time on video showing you how I drove all the pin all the way across, because obviously I need some other tools. I'll do that later. And then this goes on. There it is. It goes in. Now I'm going to have to put the bolt and the carrier in. You know, the mag is different finish compared to the receiver. It's kind of a little lighter, grayish. The receiver is a little blacker. So if I could change the mag to something that's more black, it might look better, kind of shorter. Not exactly the same finish, but I think it looks better. And yeah, I think this Beaver barf on a CSA looks excellent. I like it. So, thank you very much for joining me, and please subscribe.